What if you could take control of your health and energy like never before? Tony Robinson's Life's Force is a groundbreaking guide to living stronger, healthier, and longer. In this book, Robbins teams up with top medical experts to reveal cutting edge strategies for optimizing your body and mind. From the latest breakthroughs in regenerative medicine to practical tips on nutrition, sleep, and mental resilience, Life Force covers it all. What I love about this book is how practical it is. Robbins doesn't just overwhelm you with science, he gives you actionable steps to take charge of your health today. Whether it's adopting better habits, understanding how your body works, or exploring innovative treatments, there is something for everyone. But it's not just about personal health, it's about how these innovations could change healthcare for everyone. Robin's optimism and passion for this topic shine through every page, making it an inspiring read. So, if you want to unleash your full potential and take a control of your life, you can grab your copy of Life Force through the link in the description, or you can even listen to it as an audiobook for free with an Amazon Audible trial. It's a life charger for anyone who is serious about their health. So, have you read this book? Do let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching this video.